Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are learning on how to replace a pressure vessel and the pressure switch. As you can see, we are trying to remove the whole one, the pressure switch, which is not a function. So we shall replace with this one, the new one. As you can see, we are replacing it, and it will work. This will help to boost the pressure, or to when we are using the Authoril water. So guys, if you are new to our channel, you subscribe, like, or in case you have any question according to how to deal with safety, you can ask in this channel. So continue watching, like it, as we continue educating ourselves on the basic of safety. As you can see, we are trying to fix it. That so guys, remember to subscribe. Look at it. This pressure switch enable to switch the water, or it function as when you open the hose reel, it will be automatic function, because this pressure switch help this the pump to be automatic. It will just the moment you open the hose reel nozzle, this help to function. So guys, remember to subscribe as we continue learning and educating ourselves on safety. Look at it guys. Bye.